Hello dear Scorpio, welcome to my channel and this is your September monthly reading. This is for Sun Moon Rising September, so please do check your birth chart. Now let's begin. Let's see what cards have to say. I have divided your reading into two halves. What is the general energies for first half of September and what is the energy for the second half? In the first half, you've got the Nine of Stars and the Hermit. That's again a 9 number. A lot of you folks will be seeing 99 on the watch, clock, car numbers, right? House numbers, a lot of 99. I also see that you could be dealing with a Gemini or Cancer Sun Moon Rising, not necessary, or you can have that in your own birth chart. Gemini or Cancer Sun Moon Rising, like I said, yes. There's a lot of painful energy around you. Like either you came across a truth or you're going to come across a truth in September, which is, yes, going to be hurting you enough, causing you a lot of pain. And sort of forcing you to isolate yourself, right? When you get this kind of truth, when you face this kind of truth and reality, this will be very different from what was happening. Maybe somebody was hiding something, lying, or showing you a different picture. But when you see the reality, you will see that, um, people are not the same as they seem. And because of that, you will be forced to change your decision. You will be changing or making a decision after knowing some truth which is going to be revealed to you. And how do you think you're going to come to the right decision? If you're still confused, if you're still thinking in your mind while watching this video that I don't know what to do, I'm stuck, right? If this is you, then let me tell you, a Hermit card is a card of going within, following your intuition. The only person that can help you right now is you, your intuition. If you still are going to trust people around you, if you still are going to follow what other people are saying or trying to influence you, you might not get the right answer and you will never be able to make the right decision. So please follow your intuition if you want to be on the right path, because your intuition is your only best friend right now. Okay. In the second half, you've got the astrologer and the death card. You yourself could be an astrologer, tarot reader, believing in spirituality or destiny a lot. Or recently in the month of September, you will be inclined towards believing in astrology, destiny, timing, divine timing, and stuff like that, right? Even if you did not believe it in the past. Death card talks about endings and also talks about change. Definitely that some things are going to end for you, so be prepared for that. Whether that's the end of friendship, relationships, job, careers, right? But also it talks about a very important change which is coming in your life. A lot of you will be thinking of ending something, a lot of you will be thinking of switching your job or career as well. Right, so this is a month if you're thinking of a change, moving cities, houses, this is going to be a month where major change and transformation will come. When this change happens, you will be like, oh my god, like my whole world is changed. It is not how it seems anymore, right? So world will definitely change for you. Okay, there is a major change, transformation, like a rebirth or renewal of yourself. Like some old thoughts, ideas, that negative thinking, that old things in people you were clinging on or stuck on, you're going to release them this month, right? This is the month of letting go. You will be letting go of something which you were clinging on and you know that it was not serving you well. You will simply let go of it. So yes, this is going to be a powerful month for you, Scorpio, and I want you guys to claim it. And yes, if you guys like this reading, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel so that you can get your timely videos from my channel, The Accurate One, because there are other the Moksha Tarots also by my name, okay, which are not my channels. This is my only original channel. I only have the Moksha Tarot, no other. So one in Hindi and one in English, and you will see the same DP. A lot of people are trying to use the same name, so be careful about that. And yes, you can book your own reading, your own personal reading, ritual, or counseling session that I take directly through my email ID or my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Follow me and DM me on Instagram or email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. Alright, all the information that you need is mentioned in my description box below. In fact, all the services also, or in my bio. You can check that out. And now you can take care of yourself. Bye bye.